Hi dear friends, after publishing our first video on how we can have a unique LinkedIn address without any numbers or letters, a brand name, a specific brand name that we mentioned that after getting the generic URL address automatically given by LinkedIn, easily we can go here on edit public profile, and by clicking on the pen and pencil here icon, the icon that we have here, easily we can edit it. I have published up to now 4 complete video for Farsi speakers, and the first one on LinkedIn URL address in English. And today we are going to talk about another important aspect of our LinkedIn features. Maybe some people think that, okay, after URL address, that it is our brand name, maybe the information that we have written here is important. But actually, people don't have enough time to read the whole text and see. Yes, if you hook them and get them in your first impression. What is the first impression? It is your profile picture and cover photo. They are so important. And unfortunately, I have seen a lot of people, they don't care about it. Maybe one of the main reasons is that it is a little technical, difficult to how they can design. But today I am going to take you in a very simple method how can easily you can design a cover photo and also put your profile picture. This is very important. You should have in mind that your LinkedIn is not your social media such as Instagram, Facebook, other social media. It is a professional job searching or hiring profile. So people come here, when they get the first bad impression, they won't come again. Be sure about it. So you should catch their eyes. You should hook them. It is so important. When they come here, maybe they are going to hire you. Maybe they are going to do business with you. You are hiring something like this. So you should catch their eyes. This is the first showcase that you can advertise. It is free. It is free, really. It is a free advertising. Some companies give millions or billions to advertise themselves. And it is a free place for you to advertise yourself completely professionally. Again, I am emphasizing that this is not common social media such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, something like this, to put your picture with beer in hand or on the beach, something like this. It should be very professional. And you have 2 options. One is cover letter or banner, and second is your profile picture. That should be very professional. You see, I have lots of pictures. These pictures are taken in different situations, and they can have different impression on the viewers. The smile here is so beautiful, but the quality is not good. Maybe the suit and also professional looking is very impressive. Here it is the same. This is maybe good, but it is for my young age, the time that I have married, and this is for the job. So I have different pictures, and it is the same with you, with different situation. Maybe this one can be, if we edit it, it can be a good picture for profile. And also, for example, showing the Niagara or the nature, they are beautiful, but they are not good for putting on my LinkedIn. For example, working in my office, yes, in somehow they are good, but they are not good pictures to put on my LinkedIn profiles. So what should we do? Okay, there are lots of them. I am not going to show all of them. First, I will go to my LinkedIn. To change my profile picture, it is enough to click on this icon or my picture place. As you see here, for the first time, you can click here, add a photo, and then upload photo. Even you can use your camera, take a selfie. I don't recommend, but if you have pictures taken before, you can upload photo and select the picture that you are going to change it. As I mentioned, for example, I can choose this one, okay? And here I have some tools that I can edit this picture. For example, I want to have only this part, the head, so I can zoom in, as you see, maybe zoom in more, and then cut it like this. And I don't recommend other filters, adjusting filters, something like this, and save the photo. So it is easily can be done like this. But again, I think that this is not so professional. So I click on it, and I can add photo again, change it, upload. I have decided to change with this picture. Okay, it is much more professional. Then save it. So I think that this one is much better. Again, when I click here, I have some other items. For example, again, I can edit it. I can click and edit it, crop it, something like this. And also we have frames. You see here, you have three options. The first one is the original. Second one is open to work. Some people put for open to work, okay, it will be like this. You see? And all people come, okay, you are open to work it. But I don't recommend this one. It is not good. It is a kind of begging, and it is not recommended. If you have decided to put the frame open to work, no problem. Do it, but when you are applying, pay attention here. Go down here. It says that all LinkedIn members. Go down. Here click only on recruiters only, not on LinkedIn members. As you know, the recruiters, the organization, the companies that are hiring, they have special tools. They can see that, okay, you are open to work. But when you put it here, click on LinkedIn members, everybody, your friends and everyone on the internet can see your picture, and it has not a good impression. So it is mostly recommended that put recruiters only and add your profile. As you see, I am open to work, but nobody can see it. So this is the first part about the LinkedIn profile picture. But second part is about the your showcase, your banner, your cover photo. How can we easily change this cover banner? As you see here, for example, it shows my job, computer. Yeah, the keyboard shows that I am teaching computer digital skills code, something like this. And this is my brand name. AZ means Akbar Zahiri, but it has another impression. I teach everything from A to Z. It has another meaning too. So, and also my YouTube channel. You can put a quote about your job, your activities, the place, anything. You can find anything. But it's so important to put a picture that exactly shows your profession, your job, the activity that you are doing, and can catch the eye of the users. So, as you see here, it is recommended that the cover photo or the banner size should be 1584 by 396 pixels. And also it should be in JPEG or GIF or PNG format, not more than 8 megabytes. So at the first look, it looks a little technical and hard. What is pixel? How can I imagine it should be? So in screens, pixels are usually displayed with the basic colors. It is red, green, and blue. It is called RGB color. Okay, so this is the RGB color. It is the smallest part. Anyway, I am not going to talk about what is the pixel. I mean that if you are going to make a banner like this, it is not necessary. Absolutely not. Okay, you read and understand this. There are lots of free programs like Canva. If you go to Canva, canva.com, and it is free. It is completely free. You can sign in, and it is only search on the internet or Canva LinkedIn banner templates. To reach here, it is enough to search on the internet LinkedIn banner templates using Canva. When you write Canva LinkedIn banner templates, you will access to Canva in this partition, or even log in on Canva and search for LinkedIn banners or cover letter. You have maybe thousands of different samples that you can choose one of them, but pay attention. If they have crown sign or dollar sign, you see it is paid, dollar sign, or they have like this one, crown sign. When you click, you see that it is a paid one. You see, this is, you should pay. So try to find one. If it is free, find a suitable one. There is no issue. You can change. For example, if you choose this one, okay, or another one, for example, this is paid, this one, you can change everything, the text, the background, the picture. Choose anyone that you think that is more suitable. So from this category you can choose, and even you can search based on your keywords. For example, computer, search for banners for different occupations. Okay, now I will choose this one. Pay attention that now you have chosen this one. It's not important, okay, there are lots of items that you are not going to have. Easily you can customize this, change everything, delete, remove, add anything that you would like. So this is the base of the job. Now you will see that how easily we can work on it. I click on customize this template. You see, when you click any item, for example, the text, the picture, the background, you can select any item that you would like, and here you can delete or go to this ellipsis and copy, paste, delete, change anything that you would like, edit it, and even the color, the font, everything that you are. For example, this is the name. I want to change to my own name. I can write Akbar Zahiri. Okay, but the font I don't like, I can choose and change the font. For example, this font. Okay, and then I can click here and move it here, click here and make it a smaller, okay, capital letter. Even I can select the item and go here and align to page, make it center, you see, or make it right, left, anything, right, anything that or I can move by click and dragging. So as you see, easily when you have the text, for example, here you can put your own website, you see, and change the font, the color, make it, for example, red, anything that you, or this size, to give any kind of effects. You can click here, instead of consultant manager you can write digital skills coach. Even the background, you can change the background. Now I am going to change the whole background because I don't want to. I can go here, file, and import file, because you know, my profile picture, I have brick. So I am going to bring a picture of brick and harmonize with my profile picture. I will select, and when I select it, it is here. Then I can go and select it. I can remove this one, the background, completely delete it. Okay, then I can put it here and click and stretch it. Okay, make it background. Even I can right click and select the set image as background, you see, and it is locked, it is there. I don't want to have my name here like this, and even the digital and my YouTube channel like this. I am going to bring and put some mottos that I have written before. So I click here, file, and import files, and then go to my files and choose the mottos that I have written and I want to put them here. Okay, I upload them, This is the first one that I want to put. I put it here. Okay, stretch it, make it suitable for this. Then this one, I click and put it here. I think that it will suit here much better, and then I can make it center. Yeah, it is center. About my website, I think that it is better to this picture about my website, but make it smaller and center it, center. And about my brand name, AZ, I can go here, elements, and click here A and put it here, make it a little smaller, and Z, maybe this part goes well, I can put it here, then bring it here. Yeah, and even I can change the color. For example, I can click here, sorry, here, and change the color a little, make it red or blue. Which one goes? This one maybe is much better. I can try the black one. No, the blue one is much better. Okay, it goes well. Even I can put some other elements or from the pictures that I have uploaded before. Yes, this one about digital skills, I can put it here, maybe. No, pay attention, never put any items, picture or text here, because your profile picture will come here and it will ruin your the whole photo. So never put any items here. I will make it smaller. Maybe I can put it in the middle. No, I will delete it because I don't want. I want to my own name. This one is, no, I don't think that it goes well. I had another. Yes, I go to upload. I think that this one can go well, so I download it. I click here, yes, and make it center. Make it center like this, and it goes well. The main reason that I have chosen the brick for my background is that I want to harmonize it with my picture. It is exactly the wall of our apartment, but I have another mindset. I have a nice motto that I can put it here, text, and you can choose any of these themes, and I choose the first one. I put the motto that I believe on it. Really, a brick in the right place can change everything. You know, this is the exact thing that I believe. Really, I believe that if anybody is placed in its own place that has the potentiality, the knowledge, the ability, can do the job in a perfect way. It's very important that everyone recognizes their own potentiality, abilities, and also the employers, the people who are hiring them, recognize their potentiality and also their abilities, and use them in the right place. It's very important for all organizations. So I will put this motto here, make it smaller. Make it smaller, it's much better, I think that. And I can click and make it as small as here. Yes, then make it smaller, fix it here. Yeah, well done. Move it a little down. Yeah, then I move this up because I maybe I have to cut this part, and it is not necessary to have this name because I have AZ. It is enough. I will delete them. So now I think that it is perfect. So only I should mention that when you right click, you have some options, when you select an item, you have some there, you can duplicate it, delete it, or copy paste layer. You can change the layer, bring them forward, backward, the items based on other items, and also link them, lock them, make them fixed, or replace background, anything that you would like. So and also when you are choosing, you have other options here to change and edit. When I choose the text, I have the edition parts here. I can change the color, the font, the size, anything. So, and also on the left side you have other, for example, as I mentioned, the elements. You can search and find any items that you would like to add, and the pictures and items that you have added here, audio, video, anything. The text, you can add any kind of text, and also draw. You can draw with anything that you would like to draw here, and also other items. I am not going to mention all of them. I mean that it is so easy and user-friendly program. Easily you can edit the picture that you have chosen. But pay attention. Now it is the perfect time to go here, share, and download. You see here, only download. It will download it again. You can choose different formats, for example, JPEG, PDF. Pay attention. If it has crown or dollar sign, you should pay money. But other items are free. So even for your Facebook or Instagram. Unfortunately, as you see here, Canva recently has changed the size to 2600 pixels. But if you remember, I mentioned that the LinkedIn preferences is 1584 by 396 pixels. So when I am downloading, if you see here, I have put some extra space here because I am sure that I have to remove this part. So I download it. It is saved. Now it is time to change the cover photo of my LinkedIn profile. So here, as you see, there is an icon, pen icon here on the right corner. I click on it and I can delete this photo. Delete. You see, it is empty like you had before. Again, I can choose, click here, edit, and then go to download and choose the file that I have downloaded. Open. You see here. And as I mentioned, unfortunately, Canva size has changed a little. It made it a little bigger. So I can click and drag it to make it suitable for this one. It goes well. Yeah. Then I apply. Okay, apply. You see, it goes very well. And it matches with my profile picture. So as you saw, easily we can edit our profile picture. Again, it is done so easily by Canva. As I mentioned, only go and choose any kind of the banners, write LinkedIn banner free on Canva, then choose one of them. As I mentioned, choose the one which has not dollar sign or crown, and after choosing, you can easily click on customize this template and do what I mentioned in the previous section. Easily you can change all of them, and after changing, go here, share, click on share, then download. When you are downloading, pay attention that this one, you see, it is exactly the size. So some of them are the same size. So it is not necessary to change it. I mean that if I put this one, download it, okay, now I have downloaded. After editing anything that I have done, I can go to my profile picture here, click on pen icon, okay. It is not necessary delete, even delete the photo. I can go change photo and go here and choose the file that I have changed it and download it and put it here. You see, it is exactly the same size that I showed here. It is exactly this size. You see, in this part it was saved at the same size exactly, and it is not for me to do anything. Then easily I can apply and change it. If I apply, you see it will change my profile picture to this one. Now I am not going to keep this one, so easily I can go here and change photo, and again choose the best one that I want, then bring it, adjust it here like this, and apply, and you see it changes very easily. So for profile picture, you can click on the picture and change it, and for the photo you can click on this icon and change it. I hope that you have found this short tutorial very useful and helpful, and hope to see you in my next tutorial regarding to how we can promote our LinkedIn profile.